How to edit HubSpot landing pages. To edit landing pages in HubSpot, follow these steps. Navigate to the content section. So here, if you just scroll your mouse here, this is a content, and here in the content, from the top menu, select content here, click on landing pages. So here you will get this option of landing pages. On the second, just go and click on here to view all your existing landing pages. Right, so here you can see we can use AI, but I have to pay the subscription, but I want to start from scratch. Now this is a website here, so I will just write here website test one, right? And this is a page name, so I will just write here test. Click on create page. Now it has been created, and automatically we will be get redirected to there. Right now, what you have to do here, you have to choose a theme. So I like to use this growth theme here, right? And if you want to, you can install a theme from Theme Forest if you want to. Just to, you can go and click on preview theme just to check out how it's look. So if I just go and click on here, it will show me exactly how it's look, right? This is pretty simple, easy to see. So I will just use this one. You can just go and check on how it's look over tablet or phone too. Now here, this is a new theme selector. You can just go and check. For example, I like this one, landing page click through, or this is just a blank one. So I want to use, let's say just one example, I will click on select template, this one. You can just go and change your theme, each and everything. Now it will just welcome you here if you're using it for the first time. Now here you can edit each and everything, right? For example, I don't like here the word of members, I can just remove it. I can just write here each and everything. I can, move this part. And for example, this part is, I don't like it, this part here, so I can just move it down, right? And this is how we can do so, right? This part I don't like, so I'll just go and click on delete, right? It has been deleted. On the left side, you can see here there's a lot of option. In the plus icon, I can just go and add a buttons, icons, list, and offer card, pricing card. For example, I like this one. I will add the pricing card here, and within few seconds I have to add it. And if you want to change the information, just go and click on there. For example, I want to add it $80, right? So I can just add it. For example, this is heading, right? The starter, I will just write here pay, right? And this is a price is around $80. I will just write here 80 and click on apply changes. Automatically on the right side it will get changed, right? So there's so many things. For example, if you want to add content, this is a setup, right? You can go and change. For example, I want this section, and I want to change the section, right? And for example, I can also move it, like for example, click and hold, and then I'm sure there's an option to move it up here. Click on the three dots, and here hide on the desktop if you don't want to say this. And this is optimize. You can optimize the title, the keywords regarding SEO and everything, right? And here, this is a site navigators. You can also change on it, and this is how you do so. Now once you're done here, you can see I can't publish it because I remove HubSpot branding from the landing page, and everywhere else I have to upgrade. So once I upgrade, I will able to use this landing page. Just to show you guys what we made here, this is a preview, and this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.